Hey guys, this is Dustin from My Amazon Guide. Today I'm going to be talking about unavailable payment transfers on Sell Essential. For the most part, most of us love to get paid. And whenever there's an issue with your payment on Amazon, you want to figure out what the issue is and get it resolved as soon as possible. Sometimes you'll notice in your settlement report that there is an unavailable payment. What exactly is this and how do you find it? Well, to find your settlement report and then your unavailable payments, if that you have any, go to your Sales Central homepage, and then under your payments block, you're going to click the number that is your balance number. And from that page, you will go to your settlements overview page. Just scroll down to the bottom, you'll see total balance. And if you have an unavailable balance, you will see the unavailable balance and the amount that is unavailable. To find out the reason for the unavailable balance, simply click the View Details button. It'll pull up a new link and it'll tell you the reason, whether it's for an account review or to hold to see if there's any issues with the order or for an A to Z claim, chargeback, etc. According to Amazon, there's several main reasons for an unavailable balance. These reasons include awaiting order delivery. Amazon sometimes reserves money uh, to make sure the customer receives the order in the promised condition and that there's no issues with the order. This is especially common with new sellers or sellers on the individual selling plan. We have not seen this too much with professional accounts that do not have any uh, account issues, though it has happened. A to Z guarantee claims. When a buyer files an A to Z claim, basically stating either they haven't received their order wasn't in the condition promised, they returned their order and haven't gotten a refund, etc., Amazon allows a buyer to file a claim with them when trying to resolve the issue with the seller has been exhausted. When a claim is filed, the entire order amount will be held in reserve until the claim is resolved. If the claim is resolved in your favor, the money will be returned back to your account and will be paid on the next payment date. If it is resolved in the buyer's favor, then the amount will be refunded to the buyer and you will not be paid for it. Same concept for chargebacks. Chargebacks are a little bit different. The buyer will file a claim with their bank directly, and Amazon serves as an intermediary. Amazon will ask you for the information regarding the order. They will send this to the credit card processor, and once the credit card processor has processed the claim, the money will either be refunded back to the buyer or sent back to you and the seller, and you will receive the payment on the next report. If your seller performance is suffering, if you have an ODR of above 1%, if you have numerous late shipments, or any other seller performance related issues, Amazon might reserve funds for a period specified by them for longer than you would have normally. This will be told to you both in a seller notification and on the view details tab I alluded to earlier. And finally, if your account's going under a review, whether it be a velocity review for an unexpected change in sales or account activity, or other reasons, Amazon will let you know, and this can also cause an unavailable balance. In general, you can resolve unavailable balance issues by being patient. Amazon generally tells you the time frame in which the funds will be released, but if you have not received the funds by that time promised, or you have any questions or concerns for Amazon, you can always contact them through seller support and they will be glad to assist you. And as always, if you have any questions, concerns, or need help setting up your Amazon account, or need help with any issues regarding your e-commerce accounts, please contact us at myamazonguy.com. Thank you and have a good night.